Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to monitor your CPU stress and CPU usage and CPU temperature and RAM being used all the time. So you can monitor in many software using many software and many tools available, but I think this one is the most lightweight and most useful, so which is Core Temp. So you have to go to browser and search Core Temp, download and download this application and install it right away, and go to that application, and you should be able to see these options and option. Go to option settings, notification area. It's all course, it means the each cores of your CPU. So there is option what you need to what you want to monitor, which is processor frequency like 3.4 gigahertz or whatever frequency you have it, and it also varies, so you can monitor this as well. So I did not do it, but I have been monitoring processor load, power consumption. This is a load, sorry, and this is power consumption, this to 12 to 13 watt, and core temperature. Just so six cores, I have six cores, so I have this six temperature in here. Okay, and what is the background option? Background option is it's go away the background sign, and if you click this, and there is, you see the black background in here as well. So this option I think is useful as to make it contrast, to make it more visible. So and any other things, let me double check. This is general setting, and start core temp with Windows. It means when you restart your machine, it should be started. And advanced, okay, there is nothing at advanced. Start core at minimized. So it means when you start this application, it should be started like this way and close. If you close it, it will not close total application, it just go to notification tray. That's it. and this is option for Windows 7. I don't think you have Windows 7 right now. Think you don't have a Windows 7 machine right now. And that's it. Oh, okay, if you have any questions, or if you struggle to install it, and if you can't configure it, let me know in the comment section. And thank you for watching, and subscribe me to give you more videos like this. Thank you. Okay, one more thing, sorry, which is how to show here. Okay, how to show here. So what you need to do, taskbar setting and other system tray icons, you have to select this, and by default it does not come enabled. So if you disable it, you won't see all the time, you have to click and see. But if you enable it, you will see in the bottom taskbar, okay, like this. So I think it's useful for me, that's why I have been using it. And it will may help you as well. And thank you again.